Morning neighbors, how are you doing? There's a lot of hustle and bustle at the start of the week. Rushing to work and you're watching World Cup late and you realize that time gone and you have to rush out. We're just going to pause into the week, ease ourselves into the week. And just relax, like notice the flowers behind you and just breathe. Right, welcome back to another video, and thank you for everybody who show them true colors and say that they're Brazil fans. Not really happy about it, but it is what it is. It's unfortunate that you would have taken that decision to be a Brazil supporter. This dog is going off, but I'm going to continue talking to be a Brazil supporter. But big up to the true Argentina fans and everybody that is holding down them country, Germany, France, Italy. No, sorry, not Italy. Italy is not here. Germany, France, England, USA, Argentina, Brazil, big up. And all the best for the World Cup. Also, released a video on Sunday with Leila and Zahra singing for the first time. As I said, they made a choir, but they weren't able to sing on the day because they were sick. So they ministered. And actually, that is where the encouragement for the day, for the start of the week, is coming from Leila and Zahra. I'm going to get some rabbit stew going. Serious thing, I'm going to eat rabbit for breakfast. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet or how I'm going to do it. But while I get that ready, taking Leila and Zahra ministering again, just a quick thing and let it be the encouragement for the day. You want God to make you a servant and you want to help people. Tell them Very good. Yeah, man, ask God to make you a servant today. So if you're a Christian, ask God to see how you can serve more, how you can serve Him, serve His people more, serve His kingdom. And if you aren't a Christian, make the decision today. Ask Jesus how you can become His son, His daughter, His servant, His friend. Yeah. So we can impact the world. Breakfast time now. Went to Moore's on Saturday and got some jerk rabbit here. But you know how Jamaicans stay, we love I love our jerk chicken and jerk pork with the skin on it and so, but it looks as if the rabbit isn't prepared that way. I guess the skin might be too tough or whatever, I don't know. But it just doesn't feel jerky to me. So I'm going to stew down the jerk rabbit. Simple recipe. Use one onion, dice it up. Rabbit. Might boil some yam, just the yam with it or the bread. I might the yam and sweet potato. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a proper stew breakfast. Stew rabbit with franks, yam and sweet potato.
You put the franks in there, that's gonna spoil up the taste.
No. It's going to make it nice. Watch this. What?
And here look proper.
It's whatever. Take the thing off your shoulder.
So why you could brown the rabbit first, since it don't look so brown. Put the oil in the pot, brown it, right?
With the onion?
No man, brown it first.
Just in the oil?
Yes, in the oil. Then take it out of the oil. Put in the seasonings in there. Then you kind of deglaze the pot with little warm water. And then you put in back the rabbit now and make him cook down.
That's not complicated.
It's not complicated. It's the same way that you would make, stew pork or something.
So brown
stew
it.
pork or stew beef.
in the oil only. Take it out, then put in the.
Don't drop in the seasoning.
Then put
Just
it back in.
just use the spoon with the holes in there, so you're not picking up too much of the oil.
Put in some guava jam in there too. In the oil.
Taste it. You could taste it to see, you know, what else needs to be added, if it needs a little bit of sweet. But I think this is a savory
jerk.
I think this is a savory kind of thing. Don't complicate the thing.
Stew jerk, guava jam.
I don't think it needs to be complicated, darling. I'm just my take.
I'm thinking about it. Stew jerk, guava jam rabbit.
That don't sound that appetizing enough.
Let's see how this turns out. It is a workman at the house, so the drilling is what you're hearing in the background. So I'm going to have to work and eat the breakfast. In the noise. Alright, just got back from picking up the little ones. One of my favorite things to do in the day is after working, and in particular today where there was work and there was work going on at the house, and I eat the rabbit. I just want to get it to the house. And one of my favorite things to do is go for the little ones. And they're here, so they're ready to say hi. Say, Leila, say hi. Say hi, neighbors.
Bye.
No, not bye, hi.
Hi.
Zaza, say hi, neighbors.
Hi, neighbor.
Oh, by the way, the neighbors heard you singing Make Me a Servant, and they said you sounded very good. Okay? Say thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, let's see what the rest of the day brings. But an interesting fruit though. Tell me how many of you know what the name of this fruit. Alright, so we got some. What is this? What is this, Leila and Zahra? What's this? Which fruit is this? Which one is this, Leila?
Tangerine.
Okay. Got some tangerine. Got some. What is this?
Jackfruit.
What is this one?
Melon.
Alright. What is this one?
Cane.
Sugar cane. Alright. What is this one?
Starfruit.
Star fruit. But hear this now. $1 million question. $1 million question. Watch this. I know for you're not going to know what this means. And Zahra,
Yeah.
what is the name of this fruit right here? What's the name of this fruit?
Tangerine.
Tangerine? Nope. The tangerine is in the bag.
Yes.
This is not a tangerine. What is the name of this fruit?
Onion.
Onion? You don't know this. You never eat this fruit before. 10 points for the person who can comment and tell me what's the name of this fruit right here. Alright, I'm going to be honest. I really cannot recall ever tasting. Oh, I wasn't supposed to say that, so I'm going to bleep out all of the times I said the word. So, I can't recall ever having this, but I must have at some point. Don't remember what it tastes like, so I'm going to give myself, refresh my memory, and give Leila and Zahra a sample as well. And let me know if you like it or you don't like it or if you've ever had it before. Weird looking fruit, but I hear it tastes good. You want some of this? Want some? Want some?
Sure, I would love to taste it.
No, that's Leila's piece.
So what I must
Take the big
taste?
piece.
I don't want the big piece.
Take the big
Suppose
piece
I
and
don't
then
like it.
I'll come and take it after you.
Okay.
Just take it out and then I'll come for my sample. Leila and Zahra. Ready for sampling a new fruit?
Yeah.
Alright, the name of this fruit is. Say that for me. Say. Okay. Alright, so this is your piece.
Yeah. How the taste?
Hold on, don't try it as yet. I'm going to give Leila her piece as well. Alright, try it after 3.
Here, guys. Would you like to try it just like how you eat sweets up?
Oh.
Like how grandma show you how to eat the sweets up?
Alright, try it after 3. 1, 2, 3. Dig in. Imagine.
Mmm.
You like it?
It tastes like sweet sauce.
Tastes like sweet sauce? Imagine yours?
Mmm.
You barely put it in water and you enjoy it? What does it taste like?
Sweet sauce.
Like sweet sauce? Is it taste good?
It tastes like cherry.
Tastes like cherries? Cherry sweet sauce. Interesting. So you want more? I want to give me that back.
More.
You want to eat it? Alright. You want to eat or I want to give me back?
I want to eat.
Alright, give me the seed. Alright, respect. We should probably plant this seed, right?
You should try.
Should try.
I have seeds too.
Give me one of your seeds. Thank you. So we have sweets up at the property in Clarendon. We should probably try as well. And so what's up? We should probably try to plant these custard apples as well because they eat similar to sweet sops. And my cousin-in-law, Suzanne, always asking about custard apple.
Really?
Yeah, she said that she would have wanted. When we tell her we have sweet sops, she said that she would have wanted custard apple if we had it. If I'm remembering correctly, yeah man. I don't know if it's so it goes Susan. But I'm going to get it planted. Hopefully we can make it catch from here. And then just transfer it to the property when it's at a certain level. But the children are enjoying it. I'm going to have mine. But there's one more important thing that I need to do today that has to be done today before Wednesday. Check it out. Alright, so I'm looking for a store because you know I want to represent my Argentina and I'm going to get a new jersey today. So I'm at Sovereign Village in Portmore Pines. Not Pines. Yeah, you can call it Pines. In Portmore. Contacted the store. They said they had jerseys. So I'm going to see if they have my size and my style. I'm going to get our Argentina jersey today because match is on Wednesday. A very important match, by the way. So let me see if I can find the store and get the jersey. England, France, Argentina, let's go. Afternoon, boss. You sell the jerseys for... Are they contact a store? I don't know if it's you same one. On Instagram, I don't remember what the place is. Maestro Sports, yeah. Is it this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How much them little one here?
6.5.
For the baby one them?
Yes, it's set, that's what.
Rockstone. Oh, you come with the shorts too?
Yeah, that's what.
Oh man. I'd really want to buy one, but if I buy one, I'm going to be in problems with Leila and Zahra. Alright, can see the male ones I have?
Yeah, what that's what side is?
Large. Argentina one. Alright, Argentina. Look kind of big for me though. Looks kind of big for me. So what this means is that I've tried to get it by tomorrow, which is match day.
That isn't.
But tomorrow's a new day.
No. Circle.
Leila and Zahra. Leila and Zahra.
I tell you.
Teacher Leila. Teacher Zahra.
How
Teacher.
times
Teacher.
Yes.
Stop the slapping for a second, okay?
Why is it that when picnic play school, the teacher always a beat?
Have to.
Because that's all them do. Them not get meat in school, but them teacher, all them do is beat. They beat the pit in them.
Yeah, that's all them. That's all the acting that they do. Beating each other. Zahra, why you do that? Leila, why you do that? Looking for a jersey to buy, but they had it only in extra large. They had large in the away jersey. I don't know if you like that something. It's a perfect fit. But I wanted it to be obvious to Argentina.
Yeah. Purple is not.
I don't want people thinking about, which side is this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Case.
Yeah, all them team there. So tomorrow's a new day when it's match day, but I'm going to still try to get it before the match at 2 o'clock. Let's see what happens. But either way, let's go. Argentina! As Dan would say, I'm nervous! Neighbors, it's match day again. And I'm using my lunchtime to head into town to pick up my jersey. Well, hopefully the jersey will go and I'm gonna take it. And I'm nervous. We'll have to win to get a good chance, a good spot in the next round. But whatever happens, happens. I'm in my current jersey, yes. And one of the comments that we got in the last video was basically asking why Argentina, why am I choosing Argentina? You have a relative there. What's the relationship with Argentina? Well, for those who would, well, I don't know how Jamaica was before I was born or before I came to my sense, but ever since Jamaica is a football loving country, and it is customary for World Cup time. We've only been to World Cup once, by the way, 1998. And that time everybody was all about Jamaica, rallying Jamaica. But since then and before then and after that, we have not been at World Cup. But because we love football so much, we say, you know what, we're not going to be left out. We're going to just adopt a side and call it our own. Whether it's a European side, African side, South American side, we're just going to adopt a side, call it our own, buy flags, have flag on our car, and have arguments at work, fall out with our friends for the period because they're bringing a different team. It's just a time to, we don't want to miss out on the fun. And because our country, no. I said no. No, sir. Him say they must send no message to them, but yeah, he's just a random guy on the road, one of the windshield wipers, and it's just him see the flag on the car, and him just say, I'm gonna send no message today. I just so much stay. We want to be in the vibes, in the hype, and we choose a team and we just support them. To probably weird extents, but yes, that's just how we stay. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going, but it is somewhere close. They said after Rubis. They said after the new plaza, so I'm guessing it's right up there. I don't see the name of the place, but I guess I'll just turn left and find out. Got it! It's right here. Nice Adidas bag. I'm gonna do the unboxing now. Cue the dramatic music. Alright, good to go now. Go home. Not even going to wash it. Match is at 2 o'clock. So I'm changing it and hope I don't catch no disease. It's clean enough. More importantly, we're ready now to support my side. And I'm going to sign on to yourself, guys, because yeah, sign on to yourself, but it's been good. Catch you in the next vlog. And as usual, big up from me, Argentina, and the rest of the house. Bye!